ISO 9001:2015, ISO 14001:2026, and ISO 45001:2018 Integrated Management Systems (IMS) Internal Auditor Training Course by URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited. Hello everyone and welcome to URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited. Are you looking to become a competent internal auditor? Do you want to enhance your knowledge of internationally recognized ISO management system standards? Are you planning to build a successful career in quality, environment and occupational health and safety management systems? If your answer is yes, then this video is for you. Today we will introduce our Integrated Management System Internal Auditor Training course covering ISO 9001:2015 Quality Management Systems, ISO 14001:2026 Environmental Management Systems, ISO 45001:2018 Occupational Health and Safety Management Systems. This course is designed to provide practical auditing knowledge that helps professionals improve organizational performance, ensure compliance, and create a culture of continual improvement. Why internal auditor training? Every successful organization relies on effective management systems to achieve customer satisfaction, regulatory compliance, operational excellence, environmental sustainability, and workplace safety. However, implementing an ISO management system is only the first step. Organizations must regularly evaluate whether their systems are functioning effectively. This is where internal auditors play a critical role. Internal auditors help organizations verify compliance with ISO requirements, identify risks and opportunities, detect non-conformities before external audits, improve business processes, enhance customer confidence, promote continual improvement. Organizations worldwide actively seek professionals with internal auditor competencies. Understanding integrated management systems. An integrated management system or IMS combines multiple management systems into a single efficient framework. Instead of managing separate systems for quality, environment, and occupational health and safety, organizations integrate them to reduce duplication, improve efficiency, and streamline audits. The three key standards covered in this course are ISO 9001:2015, ISO 14001:2026, ISO 45001:2018. Since these standards share the annex as a structure, organizations can implement and audit them together. This integrated approach reduces documentation, improves communication, and supports better decision making. ISO 9001 Quality Management System. ISO 9001 is the world's most widely implemented quality management system standard. Its objective is to consistently deliver products and services that meet customer and regulatory requirements. During this model, participants learn context of the organization, leadership responsibilities, risk-based thinking, planning and objectives, operational control, performance evaluation, internal auditing, management review, continual improvement. You will also understand the 7 quality management principles including customer focus, leadership, engagement of people, process approach, evidence-based decision making, relationship management, and continual improvement. Real industrial examples make learning practical and easy to understand. ISO 14001:2026 Environmental Management System. Environmental sustainability has become a strategic priority for organizations across all industries. ISO 14001 helps organizations identify, manage, and reduce their environmental impacts. Topics covered include environmental aspects and impacts, compliance obligations, environmental objectives, operational planning, emergency preparedness, monitoring and measurement, environmental performance evaluation, internal auditing, control improvement. Participants also learned how organizations reduce waste, conserve resources, improve energy efficiency, and meet legal requirements while enhancing their environmental performance. ISO 45001:2018 Occupational Health and Safety Management System. Employee safety is one of the most important responsibilities of any organization. ISO 45001 provides an internationally recognized framework for preventing workplace injuries and occupational illnesses. Participants will understand hazard identification, risk assessment, legal requirements, worker participation, emergency preparedness, incident investigation, operational controls, performance evaluation, control improvement. This course demonstrates how organizations could build safer workplaces while improving productivity and employee confidence. Then next is internal audit process. One of the most valuable parts of this training is learning how to perform internal audits effectively. Participants learn the complete audit process, audit planning, preparing audit checklists, conducting opening meetings, interviewing personnel, collecting objective evidence, identifying non-conformities, writing audit reports, conducting closing meetings, following up on corrective actions. Practical exercises and case studies help participants understand real auditing situations and improve confidence. Now, benefits of this training. After completing this course, participants will be able to understand how to conduct internal audits confidently, understand ISO 9001, ISO 14001 and ISO 14501 requirements, support implementation and maintenance of integrated management systems, improve organizational compliance, identify opportunities for control improvement, contribute to customer satisfaction and operational excellence, enhance career opportunities in manufacturing, automotive, aerospace, pharmaceuticals, healthcare, food, oil and gas, energy, construction, logistics, IT, and service industries. Now, why choose URGS International? At URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited, we are committed to delivering practical, industry-focused training. Our programs offer experienced trainers with industry expertise, live interactive online sessions, practical case studies, and audit simulations, easy to understand learning methodology, comprehensive course materials, interactive discussions and question and answer sessions, professional certification upon successful completion of training and exam, training suitable for individuals and corporate teams. Our objective is to help professionals build competence, confidence, and successful careers in management system auditing. Now, at last, summary, closing, and call to action. So, thank you for watching this video. If you want to strengthen your auditing skills, improve your knowledge of internationally recognized ISO standards, and advance your professional career, enroll in our integrated management system internal auditor training course today. Whether you are an engineer, quality professional, AHS manager, consultant, auditor, or management representatives, this course will provide practical skills that you can immediately apply in your organization. For course schedules, corporate training, and registration, email us info@urgsiso.com. Our mobile number is +91 73 5945 8455. So, if you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos on ISO standards, auditing techniques, certification guidance, compliance, and professional development. URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited, empowering professionals, ensuring excellence. Thank you.